Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a digital portfolio with Canva. So first head over to canva.com templates, log in on your account. Like I'm here, I'm already logged in. Now, just type in the search bar, digital portfolio, and hit enter. Just select which template to switch your needs, if the one that you like, and when you're done selecting your template, for example this one, click on it, and hit customize this template. Now we'll be directed to Canva official web page to edit the template. So here you can change this font style, change the text, the width of the text, the image, the button text here, and the background color also you can change it. So you have the ability here to change all the elements of the digital portfolio and choose the pages that you want to integrate in your portfolio. You can just select 1 page, 2 page, 3. You can also add pages. So that's it, guys. We successfully learned how to create a digital portfolio in a matter of seconds in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a